Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to share a fantastic Sims FreePlay mod and hack that will give you unlimited money and VIP status. It's working on both Android and iOS devices. As you can see right here on my iPhone, it's working perfectly. I have an unlimited amount of money and I can literally buy anything I want. If you're looking to enjoy it on your device too, stick around and keep watching this video. Let's dive in. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Sims FreePlay and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. Once you complete it, you will have Sims FreePlay mod on your device. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.